The real test of a team is when it can perform against all adversities, to have the ability to brave all odds when the chips are down and circumstances against them. This is the story of one such team with a desire to question the status quo, to question the obvious, to scale new heights and deliver results not just once, but over and over again. Their motto: win, win and win. The vision of becoming the best-in-class telecom operator led to the induction of Charles Antony, who successfully turned around Tata Infotech, increasing shareholder wealth by 13.2 billion rupees, a growth of 650% from 1.8 to 15 billion rupees. The new team took on the challenge to realign, refocus, and look at the business with renewed vigor. See business in a new light. Explore beyond the obvious. Develop the cutting edge. Are you ready to scale new heights? To set new benchmarks? To push your limits? To challenge yourself? To explore new opportunities? It's about looking at things differently, seeing beyond the obvious. It's about getting your hands dirty, believing that it can only get better from now on, and the only way to go is up. The entire strategy revolved around Charles's time-proven three-phase model, which had brought amazing results in the erstwhile Tata Infotech. The first phase of initial thrust, where the entire company's focus was redirected towards realigning to the customer's life cycle, forming of cross-functional teams, setting the measurements, identifying the low-hanging fruits, and celebrating the initial success. The second phase of stabilization, where a series of initiatives were kicked off across the various functions, directed towards enriching customer experience, improving productivity, and operational efficiency. In the third phase of sustainability, the now highly motivated team would run by itself, freeing the management time to focus on long-term growth and process improvements. Charles Antony set forth his vision for the team. The strategy was defined by three broad objectives: increase market share, achieve customer satisfaction, achieve profitability. To bring value to customers and shareholders, the strategy was built on a foundation of strong leadership, backed by a motivated workforce. The execution of the strategy drove the values through the organization with knowledge alignment, human alignment, and process alignment. Market share. The sales of Tata Infotech quadrupled over the 18 months period by uniquely positioning its strength of end-to-end system integration capabilities to global and Indian customers. Similarly, to increase market share, the unique capabilities of CDMA technology was leveraged through data cards, and this resulted in a 400% growth in data card sales in 6 months' time. An aggressive rural plan was formulated to explore untapped villages. This resulted in the company adding 2 lakh new subscribers. A sharply focused program for youth and retail segment was implemented with a decentralized approach that empowered the employees at the ground level and brought the products and services closer to the customer. All these initiatives resulted in positioning the company as a total telecom solution provider and helped in achieving the 4 million milestone and also the #1 position in incremental market share. Customer satisfaction. At Tata Infotech, Customer satisfaction was significantly improved by aligning the organization to the customer life cycle. The same mantra was applied in TTML, Senior Management Contact Program, Customer Value Program, Zero Tolerance to Customer Complaints, and In-Source Management Office, ensured in addressing each complaint in 24 hours. All these programs helped in improving the first-time resolution to 95%. Implementation of processes and the resultant certifications led to an improvement in productivity of employees. All this resulted in TRAI announcing Tata Teleservices Maharashtra Limited as the #1 operator. Profitability. Tata Infotech achieved its aim of profitability by making all divisions profitable through operational efficiency and stringent control on receivables. Likewise, focused programs were taken up in TTML like Cost Management Program. Effective cost optimization by the team resulted in the reduction of cost of operations. All this has resulted in only one thing: growth. 6-fold increase in subscribers, double the revenues per quarter, 90-fold increase in EBITDA with significant increase in margins. Cash profit improved by 400% and cost per subscriber reduced by 70%. This resulted in the stock price movement from 18 rupees to 48 rupees, which increased the shareholders' wealth by 57 billion rupees. Effective execution of this game plan not only brought value to the stakeholders and shareholders, but also resulted in several industry recognitions. HDFC Securities publishes TTML's achievement. Cover story by Dalal Street Magazine. And nomination for NDTV Profits Business Leadership Awards. Tata Teleservices Maharashtra Limited. Forging new grounds. Always. It's about the will to win, the spirit to excel, to achieve the extraordinary. It's about tasting success.